What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. We got to talk about a few things in the market today. You know, we got to talk about Kodak Black potentially receiving crypto. We'll talk about that, and also, you know, we're going to try to wake him up to the Shiba Inu coin as well as a few things that are going on in the market just to get us an overall update, and then also a Shiba Inu price prediction. So stay tuned through this video. We got a lot to talk about. First off, join our private investment community here on Facebook, Private Stock Market Game. Over 6,100 active investors. We're all learning and growing together. Now I want to show y'all this article.
Wait, what's your relationship with Drake? I've been hearing y'all be in the studio together all the time.
And that was early on too.
Yeah, man. Drake, we do a lot of this behind the scenes talking and shit or whatever. I swear for God, I ain't tell nobody but shit, you know. But the other week, that nigga sent me $250,000 on man.
For what?
No reason. I don't even know. Me and my brother Lance, we in the car and shit. This nigga text me like, "You got Bitcoin?" I'm like, "Nah." He was like, "I'm gonna set up a Bitcoin wallet." So you know that shit. Like, I'm like, okay, so putting two and two together. That's four.
Wait, what's your relationship with Drake? I've been hearing y'all be in the studio together all the time.
And that was early on too.
So basically, you know, Drake sent them a $250,000. You know, they might have some things coming in the works. But at the end of this interview, Charlemagne asked Kodak Black, would he be continuing to invest into cryptocurrency or buying more Bitcoin? And he said he definitely will be planning on accepting it as of a form of payment for, you know, his shows and features and things like that. So I think it's time, you know, we get Kodak, you know, informed about Shiba Inu coin as well and the potential. So if y'all can get this video to him, make sure y'all send it to him. Tap in with me, man. Let me know. But also, you know, talking about the overall market, we down 5.3% right now. We got Bitcoin at 41,000. I believe Kodak got Bitcoin at around 32,000. So right now it's up, you know, nicely. He's still up around, I think he said he got 6.6 Bitcoin. So to be up around, you know, almost 10,000 on each coin, that's an extra 60,000. You know, he said at one point it reached to over 300,000, the original $250,000 that Drake sent them. So shout out to Drake for, you know, spreading that adoption, you know, getting more people aware of crypto. Bitcoin down 5.5% right now. Right now, still trading between that $45,000 and $40,000 range. We just seen rejection off of the 45. We really need to hold the $40,000 range to remain optimistic during this time frame right now. But I think we've already hit a new floor. We're starting to see higher lows being made with some of our favorite coins. So that's a good sign that, you know, the market has found, you know, that low point and is ready to kind of, you know, turn things around. So plug this up. Let's keep going though. Ethereum at 2,700 right now, 2,715, down 7.9% on the day. Nothing major, you know, just a slight correction. This is how stocks or crypto, you know, breathes. We see the price, you know, increase, and then we see that correction. You know, it's just like breathing. It's healthy to do that. So, you know, that's from different people trading. You know, people having to sell positions, people buying more positions. That's just how the markets work, y'all. Also, BNB back under $400, down 4.3% today, sitting at that $391 level. Solana at $92, down 7% on the day. We got Terra Luna at $88, down 4% on the day. XRP at 73 cents, down 4% right now. Doge back under 13 cents at that 12 cent level. And Shiba Inu, main coin of the hour, right now we're trading at the 24.33 level, down 6% on the day. But I want y'all to see something. You know, it's looking like prime time to, you know, either add to your position before this next breakout, or, you know, just get ready for this next run up we're about to see. So I'm predicting a breakout back to this 35 level pretty soon. Within the next 2 weeks or so, we should be working our way back to that 35 level. If Bitcoin can, you know, continue to, you know, hold this level and, you know, get us back above that 45 level, I think we should be pushing back around the 35s, because right now we're seeing a lot of the hype die down. A lot of I told y'all, when you start to see less and less people talking about Shiba Inu, that's when you should start to get excited. When you start to see all the catalysts dying out and, you know, people not really excited, people kind of losing faith in a sense. Not saying people are losing faith in Shiba Inu, but when the market is getting a little more fearful, that's a good sign that we're about to take off. Now, notice what happened here. last time we seen some resistance around October 7th before this major breakout at that 35 level. Now look what just happened recently, February 13th or 8th, 7th, or right around that range. We retested that 35 level again before we were rejected, and we started to, we found our bottom here at the 20 level, which we call, and we're starting to make higher lows. So now we're looking to see, higher highs begin to get made on the chart, and that can give us confirmation that the price has officially, confirmed that it has changed the trend. We're looking to break this downtrend here and trade outside of this range, outside of this downtrend here, to confirm that now we're starting to, go back in a bullish direction. And I believe once we break outside of here, once we see that breakout sometime in between now and possibly the 17th, 18th of March, we should be back outside that range and trading or moving back towards that 35 range. And I believe once we hit there, we'll see, some type of catalyst come in the market, which will help us push to even higher ranges. So this is just a prediction, a price prediction. It's not guaranteed. This is just what the chart is showing us is likely to happen. We can see our key areas of resistance where we'll have some trouble making it past once we get to certain ranges. So we can see around that 35 level, once we break outside of here and we start, trading back around here, this is going to be something we're going to have to break through. Once we make it through this range, we need to break back through that 39 or that 4 level. Then we'll have just about that 47 range, and then again we're seeing some major resistance around that 54 range again. So these are our key levels that we'll fight and break back through and fall and find support on. So what we're looking for is to break these levels, find support, and continue to move up and break new levels and find support. And once you see that happening, you can keep this on these lines on your chart just for reference. Once you see the prices breaking back in these ranges, we know we're coming for a new all-time high again. It's just going to try to do it, kind of sneakily on us, but we just got to pay attention to the charts and, we'll be fine. So quickly, a few things going on in the market. The Ukraine government has started accepting donations in Solana. Also, fun fact, Dogecoin is more valuable than the Russian ruble or ruble. Just in, Ukraine's government Bitcoin wallet reaches 200 Bitcoin donated. Just in, Bitcoin miners generated $1 billion in revenue in February 2022. Also, the SEC is now targeting the NFT marketplaces. So that's something to pay attention to, different regulations. So, calculate that into your fundamentals and how that could affect, the market. Just in, the SEC is targeting NFT creators and marketplaces. Also just in, 5.65 billion Ethereum has been burned since the EIP 1559 real-time burning mechanism was implemented. Fun fact, 5 years ago today, Bitcoin was $1,224.68. Drop in the comment section. Let me know, what was the price of Bitcoin when you first heard about it? So also, Tron founder Justin Sun has just sent 19,000 Ethereum USD to Binance. Connect the dots, y'all. He just sent $44.5 million in ETH to Binance. Connect the dots. I've been telling y'all, I believe one day BNB, Binance, will overtake Ethereum. Easy money right there. But that's just my beliefs. It's not financial advice. None of this information is. So also, Malaysian deputy minister says Bitcoin and Ethereum do not exhibit characteristics of money. Also just in, China's global share of Bitcoin transactions have decreased by 88% according to the country's central bank. Just in, PayPal has stopped accepting new users from Russia. Also just in, UK's Financial Conduct Authority says that over 50 crypto firms are under investigation over regulatory compliance. So, we got people in the UK starting to shake up, the regulatory issue. So pay attention to that and how it can apply or affect the markets as well. So MetaMask has blocked Ethereum transactions in Venezuela, citing compliance with laws. Also just in, Texas Senator Ted Cruz says that Texas should be ground zero for Bitcoin and crypto industry worldwide. So we got major senators with a lot of influence, showing that they're very bullish on crypto. We got to pay attention. Crypto is not going anywhere. We're seeing some, the markets kind of hold everything together perfectly. It's a perfect mix of, good news and bad news, constantly keeping the price fluctuating and, keeping people unsure of exactly what's happening until you're one of those people that have to react to what's happening. That's why it's good to understand technical analysis, so that way you can look at the chart and make informed decisions based on, you know, the news, fundamentals, as well as the technicals, and be able to make predictions on where the price is likely to go. So that way, you know, if you're buying at a good point, or you can know also when to sell. So just in, music icon Billie Eilish has filed 2 trademarks for NFTs and the metaverse. Also, Lugano, Switzerland is set to make Bitcoin legal tender. So those are some of the updates. Also, we got just in, platform OpenSea is blocking users based in Iran according to multiple reports. So I'm not sure why that's happening, but I'll be getting some more information on that, and I'll try to update y'all on that in the next video. So also, these following companies are entering the metaverse, y'all. Facebook, or Meta, Unity Software, Qualcomm, Decentraland, Epic Games, JP Morgan, Snapchat, Microsoft, Samsung, Amazon, Shopify, Adidas, Google, Roblox, Nvidia, Apple, Sony, and Nike, y'all. So we got to connect the dots here and understand that the metaverse is the next thing. It's predicted to be a $1 trillion industry itself by the year 2030. And that's just a prediction. You know, I think it could be even larger than that by that time with, you know, with what we're seeing with all these different companies joining. Within the first 2 years, you know, it isn't going to be like the adoption rate with social media, when it took a lot of companies a long time to realize it was important to have a social presence as well online. Companies already realized that. So now that they're seeing all these major companies dive head first into the metaverse, we're going to see, you know, everybody else basically follow the leaders and do the same thing. So, you know, get ready. It's that time. Also, just taking a look at Google Trends and looking at the overall search volume of different crypto terms like Shiba Inu, crypto, and Bitcoin, we can see, of course, Shiba Inu is the lowest down there right now. But if we add a comparison to other cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu is doing a lot better. So let's use something like safemoon, for instance. This green line is safemoon. So Shiba Inu is a lot more popular right now than safemoon as a cryptocurrency, or with people as a search term, I should say. So what I'm seeing here, though, also what I'm looking at is that Bitcoin is starting to make higher lows as well in search volume. So that's showing us that crypto is starting to heat back up. We've seen a nice little pullback, you know, between February and this March time right here where we are now, but we found a support right here that is a higher level than where we were back around February 13th through the 19th range. So it's heating up, it's becoming more talked about, more and more accepted. You know, more people are believing in crypto, and, you know, we are some of the early people, you know, as far as the next 50 years of where the crypto space will be. So be proud of yourself that you're involved now, you know, and just know that things are about to heat up. I definitely think we'll see a $50,000 Bitcoin again very, very soon. Also, you know, if you're one of the people that are serious about learning to take your trading to the next level, if you want to learn how to make money every single day, Monday through Friday, or even, you know, on the weekends, depending on what you're trading, you have to learn technical analysis to learn how to become a better day trader. I am officially a millionaire coach. I've helped multiple students reach that 7-figure level through my course from learning this information and applying it themselves and being able to, you know, unlock this, you know, just more abundance for themselves, you know, through this information. So I'm trying to share it with more people. If you'd like to get my technical analysis course, reach out to me ASAP via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. This information is very serious. Like, you know, a lot of people are buying Shiba Inu and just waiting and wondering when will they make a lot more money. You know, when the prices go back to, you know, all-time highs, depending on where you bought in, you'll make a lot of money. But who knows exactly when that time will be? Do you want to wake up and be able to make money today, tomorrow, you know, whether stock prices are going up or down? That's what I teach inside my stock options trading course. So that course combined with my technical analysis course, I feel will, you know, really level a lot of people up that, you know, are serious. So just reach out if you're ready for that. But that's all we got for this video. Let's take another look at the overall price real quick, see if we're pulling back or if we're pushing up. Okay, pretty much the same right now. Bitcoin's still at 41, but that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.